Or by now, you've used your sunshade once, and you're probably wondering, how do I get this big sunshade back into this little pouch? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do that. First thing you want to do is you want to do what I've done here, and that is fold it in half. I've got the elastic strap here on my left hand, and I'm holding it just like the steering wheel of a car. Now I'm going to rotate my left hand thumb down, palm out, and my right thumb is pointing up. So left hand thumb down, right hand thumb up. I'm going to gently twist it, just like this. Okay, I'll do it again. Twist it. And now I'm left with something that looks like the figure 8. Okay, now I'm going to turn it back to the side, and I have both thumbs pointed up, and I'm going to gently twist it and fold it back within itself. Now I'm left with something that looks like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you that one more time. Okay, hold it like a steering wheel. Left hand out, thumb down, right hand thumb up. Gentle twist, figure 8. Okay, now I have 2 thumbs up. I'm going to rotate my right hand where my thumb points down, and I'm going to fold the sunshade back within itself. And with a little bit of adjustment, going to have something that looks like this, and that will easily fit back into its pouch. And you can store it in your sun visor, in your center console, under your seat, in your mat pocket on your door, or anywhere else in your car that's convenient for you.